Hi, today we're going to focus on Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. So let's stand up, parallel our feet in a nice wide-legged stance, nice and wide. And then turn your right foot to the right. Leave your legs straight right now. Make sure your toes are to the right. And then look down and make sure your front heel is lined up with your back arch, or if you're tight, your front heel lined up with the back heel. Okay? So then we're going to bend in to that right leg. If you want a wider stance, you would just move that back foot further back, okay, depending on what's comfortable for you. Look at your right knee. Make sure it's directly over the ankle and in line with the two middle toes. So that when you look down, you can see your big toe at all times, okay? So that knee should be going toward the pinky toe a little bit, in line with the two middle toes. And the back leg is nice and strong. The back foot is parallel to the width of the mat, pressing down through all four corners of the feet. Bring your arms in a T with the palms down, and then instead of leaning forward, kind of lengthen both sides of the torso so that the shoulders are over the pelvis and both sides of the torso are long. The hip points are lifted and level. Okay, the heart is forward. Bend your arms, maybe draw your shoulders back to create space between the ears and the shoulders. And then bring your gaze over your middle finger. Engage your lower abs, tuck your tailbone, broaden your chest, lengthen your spine, hold here and breathe. Then I like to put in a little flow. So inhale, straighten your leg, lift your arms up and look up. Exhale, let go. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Good. Hold here and breathe. Remember, Warrior 2 strengthens the legs, builds stamina. Hold and breathe. And then to do the other side, just straighten your leg, parallel the right foot in, and take the left foot out, and come into your Warrior 2 on the other side. Happy Warrior 2.